Let me show you how to use ImageFX to edit generated images. So if you've been using ImageFX to generate multiple images within this platform, and let's say you come across a image that you like, but you only need to make certain edits, then what you can simply do is from the results that have been given to you, you can just pick the one that you currently like. Let's say you pick or like this one, you can just open up this image like so. Whenever you click on this image like this prompt will again open up, meaning you can make certain edits to this particular image that you selected. So what you can do now here is make small edits. Such in my case, it says silver coins with a smiling cat worth 5 catnips, but I changed it to 6 catnips. So when I now click on the create option, you can see the edit now has been made from 5 catnips to 6 catnip. So if you also want to make some changes or minor changes to the image that you currently like, then you can just simply click on the image and then change the prompts a little. So by doing this exact steps, you'll be able to edit images that have been already generated inside of ImageFX. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.